I'm the physician advisor to medical simulation on our campus. And so one of the things that I've been trying to work on is an open house to get our students involved and down there. And so this year I've managed to pull together, with the help of my fantastic team, a set of open houses that actually start next week. So we're working really hard to get it done, where our students are going to get to come in and experience simulation-based education. So they're going to run mannequin scenarios and learn how to synthesize information and apply it to patient care as first and second year students. So I'm so excited. Hopefully it goes well. And if it does, we've got a series planned for the next few months. I'm hoping to continue into the summer and then on into years to come and continue to grow it. So this is my side project, so to speak, right now.